In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can problem solve with surface area. With the example on the left-hand side, I've been told that the sphere's surface area is 314.2, and I need to work out an unknown length, which is r. The key thing to remember with this style of question is how we actually got the surface area answer. The surface area of a sphere can be calculated using 4 pi r squared. So knowing that the surface area is 314.2, we can now work backwards to find out what r is equal to. So 314.2 divided by 4 pi will give me r squared. R can then be found by taking the square root of this number. And r to one decimal place is 5.0 centimeters. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. The net of a cylinder is made up of 2 circles and a rectangle. A circle can be calculated by using pi r squared, and the fact that I've got 2 of them, I'll multiply this by 2. The width of the rectangle is y. The length of the rectangle will be the same as the circumference of the circle. The circumference of the circle can be calculated using pi times diameter, and to calculate the area of the rectangle, it will be multiplied by y. So the surface area will be the sum of all of the parts. So substituting in the information I know, that r is equal to 6, d will be double this, so d will be 12, then gives me 2 times pi times 6 squared plus pi times 12 times y. Now I know that because this is the surface area, this will now equal the number that I was given in the question, so 377. Simplifying the left-hand side first of all, 6 squared is 36, times this by 2 will give me 72 pi. I'm then adding on 12 pi y is equal to 377. I've now got an equation that I can solve. So 12 pi y will equal 377 take away 72 pi. And dividing both sides by 12 pi, y will equal 377 take away 72 pi all over 12 pi. Grabbing a calculator and typing this in gives y to one decimal place 4.0 centimeters.